Ever wonder where your man has been? Seem to wonder why you can't get out. It's cause he's using your car to come over my house. Somehow you got my number, calling to stress me out. Talking about that is your man. What the fuck is you talking about? Seems like your man is everybody's now. You need to get a clue. Know your worth, be proud. We can't trust these men. That's how we lose time. You wasn't stupid, yet just foolish. You walked into his tunnel, captivated by the sounds, leading you into his dungeon. Better believe me, I've been through it. Your man was once my lover. Now you're calling me for what? You need to get your shit in order. Silly, that is why he played you. This is what he told me. You were just too easy, and he could never be with you, him, or me. Yo, man, I said fuck him and only get the D. Yo, man said fuck him and only get the D. And I said fuck him and only get the D. Yo, man, yo, nigga ain't real. You need to see that nigga ain't no good for you. You or me, you know, yeah.